Well, we thought we were going to come see a frozen waterfall, but it's running. Hey, let's go around the hill. I don't want you to die. So the waterfall is no longer frozen, so we're going to hike up around the hill. All right, so apparently the boys are like mountain goats, and they are already clear up there. I had to get Fallon. There's the boys. It's windy, but that's the trail you come up, and you kind of have to scale around this mountain to get to the second fall. There's Colton right there. We're above the first little waterfall. Fallon dropped her soda, so she's a little whiny. Little kind of caves right there, little washed out areas. It's kind of cool. Want to make sure you have sure footing because this is right along the edge. So we're up in here. The first waterfall's just there. We're just hiking up to the second waterfall. You can go around along the creek or up over the rocks if you want to keep your feet dry. You can hear there's more falling water there. There's a couple of cute tiny waterfalls. What are you guys doing? We're just coming along here. In the spring, there are tadpoles and frogs. The kids had fun catching last year, so we'll definitely have to come back in a month or so when all of that stuff's happening. Kind of come around this big rock. There's some pretty cool little caves and things that are formed out over here. So we're almost to the falls. You can see some of these other smaller falls that lead up to there. So here we are. There's a little fall there. When there's a lot of running water, this is a fall. Right over one of the falls. Look how pretty it is going up. Just running water everywhere. Like I said, I thought we were going to come to Frozen Falls, but we didn't. Come the other hand. There you go, good girl. The boys did find a big old chunk of ice right here. Yeah. And there, my friends, is the big waterfall. The water's kind of a cool blue right now. Show them the stick you found. I said, found this kind of cool stick. It's definitely been worn away by the water, an old stick. But look how amazing this waterfall is. One is brave and is going in. It's gonna be freezing. Dax is going in. They're insane. Are you going in?
Yeah.
Cold?
Yeah.
I would think so. I just think the water is so pretty, the blue color of it. Yeah. One is the crazy one who just keeps getting in. Her legs are red from the cold. She's going to be cold later. Oh my gosh, Fallon, don't get too wet.
Mom, I'm going to take off my shorts.
No.
That's going really deep.
No. Too cold?
Yeah.
They're nuts. Oh. Easton's the only one with any sense.
Well, the reason is because I can't take off my pants.
So it's a really pretty little area. I mean, the freeway is literally just kind of over that big boulder. You kind of see cars moving. We're just in here looking around. But good luck with that. Looks like they're all coming back. Ugh. Yummy. Why'd you throw it? Oh, careful. Yeah, it does. It's stagnant.
What's that?
That didn't work well. It just means it's been sitting for too long without other water running into it to clean it. We're all headed back down. Mama's kind of falling behind. I'm not a mountain goat. Oh, there goes Colton.
Oh, I got bare feet.
Colton's attempting to go down the rest of the hike barefoot. It's a good thing it's a fairly short hike. We'll see how he does. Easton's up on the rock here. And the other two have gone ahead. It's just so pretty in here. Short little hike, not far from home, but very pretty. You'll get it. We're going back down to the bottom. That's the top of the fall there. And this is the hike up. This is the hardest part of the hike, is right on this edge. And there they're going down. Like I said, this is one of the harder parts, walking along that edge. But we'll get there. These waterfalls are literally 2 miles apart. And this one is still frozen, literally 2 miles apart. Same side of the mountain, everything. It's very interesting.